with us, Saguna with us, who are the main Karta Dharta and the editor of getting this all entire thing together. And last, but the first one of it all, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you all to the hero. The hero in all the very sense, who's been launched like a hero. He actually is the crown prince, who's been crowned by the Sultan himself, none other than Salman Khan. Ladies and gentlemen, this one is the rocking rock star, Suraj Pancholi. Well, congratulations, Suraj. The cover looks fantastic.
Thank you.
So well said. But
Do I need this? Do I need this? No,
I
right?
am shouting if you're fine.
चाहिए या नहीं ना?
So tell me, how does it feel to be on the cover? On this, I mean, everybody dies to be on the cover of Stardust magazine. How does it feel?
See, it's my dream to be here, and especially with Salman sir. Yeah, like doesn't want to be with him on a cover? And Stardust is one place where I actually both my parents met because of Nari sir. They fell in love because of Nari sir. And my father was named Aditya because of Nari sir.
Oh,
so it's like a family over here, you know.
That's why I told him, give me 15% commission on all the films he makes.
But ma'am, I want to know, how does it feel to see your own son to be on the cover of Stardust, to be like launching like a star? You know, he's actually the hero of this generation. I have never, I mean, after a very long gap, I'm seeing a star or a star kid going to be launched like that, like a hero itself.
In such a big scale.
Which is like commendable in its own way. How does it feel as a mother?
It's a great feeling. Of course, the credit goes to Salman. And my mother always used to say, कभी भी कोई भी तकलीफ आती है तो उस तकलीफ के लिए कभी अल्लाह से शिकायत मत करना. वो किसी न किसी रूप में आपको बहुत अच्छा आपको रिटर्न देगा. वो रिटर्न में हमको मिले सलमान खान. And आज whatever he is, I can say one thing because of Salman. I'm really grateful to him.
Wow, very nice.
And this Stardust cover is fantastic, and they both are looking rocking. Superb cover.
Who's looking better? Who is looking better?
Salman.
But as a mother, are you very excited to see his film?
Yes, of course.
Very excited. Are you going to am I going to be like seeing you on the seat clapping for him?
Maybe I'll whistle. So let's see. I wish him all the best. He really worked hard.
Thank you,
and love you, beta.
Okay. So tell me, you know, we all are very curious to know. Salman, everybody knows him for his rage of anger. I have met you with him in his house only, but I was very scared when I met him.
I've never seen Salman sir angry. I don't know.
I've never seen him angry, but I think his aura is.
I've seen him only smiling or not saying anything, but still smiling.
What were you doing in Salman's house?
Ask him, son. He's also there. What were you doing in Salman's house?
We had gone.
They asked you to leave the room?
No.
But is he a very angry man?
No, he's a very sweet person, and
he can't take his eyes off the cover, guys. Please no. He can't take his eyes off the cover. Look.
Yeah, he's not. I don't think not in front of me. Never been in front of me.
Okay. But tell me, how was this offer made to you? Like, you know, there must be some series where he must have said, "ऐसे कैसे वो बोल देंगे to मेरे next film में?" How did this entire, you know, the story happen? Because इसी में एक film बन सकती है कि how was this film hero offered to this hero?
See, I was working on Ek Tha Tiger with Kabir Khan sir, and I was the last assistant. So last assistant has to run and call the big star and all of that. They made me always go to his van and knock at his van. So from there, whenever I used to go knock, and he used to call me inside, we used to sit. That's where we bonded. And we were almost done with the filming of Ek Tha Tiger, and it was my birthday on the 9th of November. It was my 21st birthday. That time I'm 24 now. And 3 in the morning, I was sleeping. He woke me up on my birthday night. He came into my room, dragged me into his room, and he said, कि सूरज तुमने बताया नहीं तुम्हारा बर्थडे. सर मैं सर आपको कैसे बताऊँ कि मेरा बर्थडे. No, I was really shy to speak to him. I still am. And he said, congratulations. I said, why sir? He said, तुमने फिल्म साइन की है ना? I said, सर मैंने फिल्म नहीं साइन की. लेकिन अरे मैं बोल रहा हूँ तुमने फिल्म साइन की. I said, sir कौन सी? Like, see Suraj, I'm launching this production house called Salman Khan Films. and I would like you to do my first film. Would you want to do it? I said, yes sir, why not? So that's how I got it, and it's been my best birthday gift since. It's the best birthday gift I think anyone can have. Yeah.
Oh God! But did you pinch yourself? ऐसे कैसे? नहीं. He's lying. Did you pinch yourself?
No.
It was so true.
It was direct eye contact with Salman sir, and I've never ever signed anything for Hero. It has only been verbal with Salman sir, and once he says something, and he makes sure that it happens.
So मतलब वही है कि अगर मैंने commitment कर दी तो मैं अपने आप के भी नहीं सुनता.
Yes, that's it.
But tell me, what is the entire script like? I know with that this is a complete recall.
See, it's a remake of Subhash Ghai sir's Hero, and this film Nikhil Advani sir is directing. It is the same script, but obviously it's more modernized. It can't be a 3-hour film, so it's a 2-hour film, lesser characters, but more focus on Atiya and me. My character is called Suraj Kaushik, and Atiya is called Atiya, because in that film Jackie sir's name was Jackie. So they've maintained that, and we've tried to make a hero, but we can't do it like the way Jackie sir and Subhash Ghai sir have done it.
Oh, this is so humble. Wow.
No, but it's true.
No, but it's a fact.
There's only one Dada in the industry, and that is Jaggu Dada, and no one can even attempt to be him.
But you're fitting into his shoes, and I'm sure that shoe is very large to fit into. Is there any loose bounds?
I think he's a 10 number and I'm a 8. So I'm still small.
But did any acting tips come from Jackie sir or from Salman sir?
No acting tips. But I spoke to Jackie sir after the trailer launch. He sent me a message, so I called him back. We've been like family since Tiger was born and I was born. So he said कि बिडू तेरा ट्रेलर देखा, बहुत अच्छा लगा बच्चा, पर क्या आजकल तुम लोग नए बच्चे लोग बहुत जल्दी डर जाते हो, तो डरा मत करो, अभी एक हीरो बनाई है और 15 बनाने हैं, तो एकदम बिंदास बिडू जैसा काम करो. That's what he said.
But well, I'm going to get my entire media faculty sitting here. If any questions for Suraj or for Zarina ma'am, please throw it down and we can go with one in order. Yes.
Hi, Suraj.
Yes, hi. Yes.
I'd like to know, at any point were you intimidated by Salman, his presence, his aura? And did he visit the sets while you guys were shooting?
See, he never visited the set. Maybe if he did, then we would have been a little shy or conscious or something. But he's never put any pressure on us, He said कि दिल से काम करो. I said, sir, क्या you want me to do some training? You want me to go to LA, learn some action and come back? He said, no, we have the best team here. Just be yourself and make sure, I've said this before also, he said make sure that your jeans fit your hips and you wear good boots. That's all a hero needs, and be yourself. That's all he said.
Okay, any other question? Can we get on?
जरीना जी, अभी आपने कहा कि जब बुरा वक्त आता है तो उसके बाद एक अच्छा वक्त आता है, तो वो क्या बुरा वक्त फेस किया आपने, कुछ हमें बताया?
मैंने देखा क्या आप बोले थे कि हाँ बोलूँ ना बोलूँ.
नहीं, वो तो सभी जानते हैं, मुझे रिपीट करने का कोई मतलब नहीं है, लेकिन जब हर रात के बाद सुबह आती है, तो उसी तरह से हमारी ज़िंदगी में भी सुबह आई सलमान के ज़रिए. तो उसके लिए मैं तहे दिल से सलमान की शुक्रगुजार हूँ. और हर इंसान को बुरे वक्त और अच्छे वक्त आते हैं, बस उसको फेस करने का वो होना चाहिए, क्षमता होनी चाहिए.
और आप इस फिल्म को कितना बड़ा बेंचमार्क मानते हैं अपने करियर के लिए?
मैं?
हाँ.
आप मेरे से पूछ रहे हो? इससे बड़ा लॉन्च मेरे को नहीं मिल सकता था, और इससे बड़े सपोर्टर मेरे को नहीं मिल सकते थे. फॉर फर्स्ट टाइम फिल्म इससे अच्छे मेरे को डायरेक्टर निखिल अडवाणी जैसे नहीं मिल सकते थे. और हीरो जैसा टाइटल हर लड़का को चाहिए. और इसमें क्या होता है कि ऑटोमेटिकली लोग आपको बोलने लगता है अरे हीरो. तो इससे अच्छा क्या हो सकता है मेरे लिए, और एक बहुत ही टैलेंटेड लड़की मेरे साथ अतिया शेट्टी, और इससे अच्छी को स्टार मेरे को नहीं मिल सकती थी. तो दिस इज़ अ ड्रीम लॉन्च फॉर मी.
सूरज, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, आप फ्यूचर में जो है बड़ी हीरोइंस के साथ भी काम करते हुए दिखेंगे, क्योंकि आपने एक प्रिंट इंटरव्यू में कहा था कि मैं बड़ी हीरोइंस के साथ काम
बड़ी मतलब हाँ, क्यों नहीं काम करूँगा यार, ऑफ कोर्स काम करूँगा.
हमने एक इंटरव्यू में पढ़ा था आपके प्रिंट इंटरव्यू में कि आपने कहा था कि मैं सीनियर एक्ट्रेस के साथ नहीं, लेकिन आलिया भट्ट और यंगर एक्ट्रेस के साथ काम करना चाहता हूँ.
हाँ ज़रूर, अगर मेरे को कोई सेकंड फिल्म आलिया या श्रद्धा या सोनाक्षी के साथ कोई दे तो ऑब्वियसली मेरे को बेटर लगेगा. पर ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरे को किसके साथ काम नहीं करना है, मुझे तो सबके साथ काम करना है, क्योंकि हमेशा तो न्यू कमर नहीं रहूँगा ना, आगे तो मैं भी बढ़ूँगा. तो
एटीट्यूड है बॉस, एटीट्यूड तो है. Yeah, can you go on?
So we've read that you were a non-dancer. How difficult was it for you to learn dance?
Nice question. Very tough because my base was always martial arts and taekwondo. I've been doing my taekwondo and my black belt and all of that. पर जब dancing की बात आई तो I got stuck because Atiya was a trained dancer and I never was. But I'm so lucky that I got to meet Ahmed Khan sir. He put me into these classes that worked wonders for me. And now I think I'm a fair dancer, but still a lot is there for me to learn.
Yeah, you have to learn
match
a
up
lot.
with a Tiger Shroff?
No,
No.
he can't.
I can't.
Tiger is a fantastic dancer.
No.
I can't.
No, he's fantastic. Tiger is something very different.
I can't match up.
When he comes on this screen, I don't look at anybody. I just watch him. He's damn good.
Yeah.
Yeah, can we have some more questions? Yes.
From the current crop of actresses, who do you personally admire? One name you want to work with. The first name that comes to you.
Alia Bhatt.
You admire her.
Yeah, she's a really close friend of mine too, and she's a fabulous actress, and she's doing so well for herself. Why wouldn't I want to be with her in a film?
Well,
From the seniors,
From the seniors, I think Deepika Padukone. I would love working with her. Yes, for the same reasons.
she's a fabulous actor. I also find her very good actor. Yes, if you can.
Hi Zarina, this is Suchitra.
Hi, Suchitra.
Everybody knows that what a fantastic actress you are,
Thank
and that you've been a part of the industry for long. So what tips have you been giving Suraj in terms of acting and dealing with the industry?
Believe me, he has never taken any advice from me. So I don't want him to, say, उसके माइंड में कुछ होगा जो वो काम करना चाहता है. हमारे thoughts डाल के ना, I don't want to confuse him. Only one thing I told him: when you go to the set, go like a worker, not like a star.
Yeah,
That's what I told him.
she has. Yeah.
सूरज, जब आप इसको शूट कर रहे थे ये स्टारडस्ट की मैगजीन का पोस्टर, तो क्या फीलिंग थी उस समय, क्योंकि ये बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट एक तरह से आपने
बहुत खुश था क्योंकि
क्या फील हो रहा था उसमें?
मुझे हमेशा स्टारडस्ट के कवर पे होना था. मुझे स्टारडस्ट का अवार्ड भी जीतना है, तो वो भी इंशाल्लाह एक दिन होगा. मैं अभी तो बहुत खुशी हो रही है. और देखो सलमान सर का हाथ कंधे पे रखा हुआ है, तो इससे अच्छा और क्या हो सकता है.
Salman,
The
sorry.
red shirt also has a question.
Yes.
Yes. You've been.
Sorry, my mom was saying something.
लास्ट एक पेपर में आया था, सलमान जी ने सूरज को खांदे पे उठाया था, तो वो बात मैंने सलमान को ऐसे याद दिलाया. तो सलमान ने कहा कि उस बचपन में माइकल जैक्सन का शो देखने गए थे लोग, तो अर्पिता वॉज सिटिंग ऑन हिज शोल्डर. हम लोग सब जा रहे थे, सूरज वॉज वेरी स्मॉल, लोग बहुत इसके ऊपर गिर रहे थे. तो सलमान ही जस्ट लुक्ड एट हिम, अर्पिता को उतारा और सूरज को अपने खांदे पे लिया. तो मैंने रिमाइंड किया, तो उसने कहा मुझे याद है, उस वक्त भी मेरे खांदे पे था, आज भी मेरे खांदे पे है. इतनी बड़ी बात कही
Yes.
फिल्मी फैमिली से बिलोंग करते
जी.
हैं, तो कितना प्रेशर आप फील करते हैं, क्योंकि एक लेगेसी आ जाती कि मतलब मॉम हिट एक्ट्रेस है,
हाँ.
तो आपके ऊपर कितना प्रेशर आया था?
देखो मैं बिलोंग करता फिल्म फैमिली से, पर मेरी फैमिली बिल्कुल फिल्मी नहीं है. एंड वी नेवर हैव डिस्कस्ड फिल्म्स एट होम. वी डोंट वॉच फिल्म्स टुगेदर. मैंने मॉम की 2 फिल्में देखी है बस, मैंने डैड की 2-4 फिल्में देखी है. तो इट वाज नेवर लाइक दैट, एंड आई नेवर टोल्ड देम दैट आई वांटेड टू बी एन एक्टर. इनफैक्ट जब मुझे हीरो ऑफर भी हुई थी, तो मैंने 1-1.5 साल तक मॉम और डैड को बताया नहीं कि मेरे को ये ऑफ़र हुई है. मेरे को जब हीरो की रीडिंग मिली थी, नरेशन मिला था, तब मैंने बोला था मॉम और डैड को जाके कि मेरे को ऐसा मिला है. मैं उनसे पूछा कि मैं करूँ, तो उन्होंने मेरे को बोला कि आपको करना है तो आप करो, तो कर दिया. तो इट्स नेवर बिन नो प्रेशर.
सूरज, जैकी श्रॉफ से बात हुई थी आपकी, क्योंकि आप हीरो का रीमेक करने जा रहे थे.
मैं बोला आप लेट आए थोड़ा.
तो क्या डिफरेंट दिखते हैं आप आदित्य सर और सूरज में एज अ एक्टर, कितना डिफरेंट मानते हैं, और एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग कितना डिफरेंट?
इन दोनों में ही नहीं, बल्कि हर एक्टर में अपनी अपनी छवि होती है.
मॉम ने मेरी फिल्म नहीं देखी है.
हाँ नहीं, मैंने अभी तक सिर्फ एक गाना मैंने देखा, वो भी बहुत फोर्स किया, बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू गो एंड वॉच. कभी मैंने सेट पर भी नहीं गई, बहुत फोर्स किया एक बार तो आओ. तो फिर एक बार मैं फिल्मालया में गई थी, एक शॉट देखकर मैं चली आई, बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू गो एंड मेक यू नर्वस और एनीथिंग. हर एक्टर अपनी अपनी जगह पर अच्छे हैं, सो आई कांट कंपेयर आदित्य एंड सूरज, बोथ आर डिफरेंट.
And अभी तो बहुत लंबा जाना है.
अभी तो बहुत लंबा जाना है.
Just start and just to leave that leave ticket. But tell me, Suraj, what was that first time that when you just thought, यार अब मैं हीरो बनना चाहता हूँ, मैं एक्टिंग करना चाहता हूँ, बस हो गया, मैं और कुछ नहीं, मैं मुझे नहीं लगता मेरी लाइफ.
On the sets of Ekta Tiger, when I spent time with Salman sir and Kabir sir, and I saw the whole action happening. I saw them beating people, dancing, getting beaten up, and when and actors live such an amazing life. You know, actors don't have to buy everything in their life. They get most of the things for free. So. So I want things for free. Yeah.
This is very nicely stated. So make sure this is edited.
Yeah.
But that was the time when you thought. But ma'am, I want to know from you that is he good with something else, like besides acting? Is he a good painter, a good
Yeah, he sketches.
cooking?
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा sketch करता है.
अच्छा.
है ना?
हाँ.
देखा मैंने, मेरी भी बनाई कई बार और आदित्य जी की भी बनाई और एक बार बाला साहब ठाकरे की भी बहुत अच्छी बनाई, वो है मेरे पास.
So basically creatively inclined पहले से ही है. But anyways, I wish you all the very best.
Thank you so much.
Are there some more questions to be asked?
Yes.
I can just take 2 questions, we'll wrap it up.
बॉलीवुड से किस तरह का ऑफर आ रहा है कि एक हीरो जैसा लॉन्च पैड आपको मिला है, तो ऑफर किस तरह से मिल रहा है?
ऑफर्स उतने ज़्यादा भी नहीं है, पर है. अच्छे ऑफर्स हैं, पर अभी प्रमोशन का टाइम आ गया तो टाइम नहीं मिल रहा है कि लोग से जाके डायरेक्टर्स और प्रोड्यूसर्स से जाके मिलने का टाइम नहीं मिल रहा है. पर एज दिस इज़ डन, होपफुली आई शुड बी साइनिंग अ फिल्म विद इन 1 or 2 months.
Very nice, congratulations. But how does it feel जब आप हर एक प्रमोशन में नजर आ रहे हैं? We can see you all over the PR and the print and a lot of things. I can see you in a lot of activities around. How does it feel? Is it very tiring or do you feel
It is very tiring. Because my management team is not giving me one day off to go to the gym also, so it is very tiring. But it's fun, you know. I rather talk to all of y'all than go to the gym and lift weights.
So basically, it's not a very easy life. It is a very hectic life.
It is a very hectic life, but outcome is good.
Yeah. So, one more question and then we'll wrap it up. Yes.
Suraj, how is it working with Athiya? Could you elaborate on that?
Working with Athiya was amazing because, and I'm so happy that I got to work with a newcomer. Because it's a learning process for both of us, and it feels like we're back in school. And she's a fabulous actress. I've seen the film, but she's scared to see it. She says that I'll see the last print. We started this journey together, so it's special for us. And when people ask us which was the special day on your set, I think every single day was special on set, and especially with Athiya. Yeah.
Was there any incident that you remember where Salman sir had a prank or something? Sunil Shetty sir just
No. Sunil sir just came on the first day and then never came.
Wow, this is like so cool. They just come in on the first day. And
they let us be. They let us do our thing, you know.
How cool. So it was a very comfortable atmosphere.
It was, yes.
What are you expecting? What's going to be your next step now from this? From when the film is launched, how do you see a light, the new light after that? What do you want to see Suraj Pancholi as?
With a boy with some money in his bank account.
Somebody there wants to ask a question. One last question.
Yes.
Somebody raised his hand.
One question. We can take one.
Suraj, are you a mama's boy or a daddy's child?
Oh.
See, when I was growing up, I was a complete mama's boy because she used to take me to school and she should take me to tuitions and all of that. But I think when you grow up, you get closer to your father also. But now I don't know who I'm close to.
No, but he gets along with daddy.
I think I love them equally now. Yeah.
Yes.
Suraj, were you pampered at the set by Salman?
Salman sir never came. And working with Nikhil Advani, you can never get pampered because he's a very hyper director. You should go on his set sometime. No pampering at all.
Well, it was a very nice journey. I wish you all the very best, Suraj. Serena auntie, thank you so much for coming. Keep your blessings on him and all of us equally. I wish you climb the ladder of success equally and a very fast stride and space.
Thank you so much.
I'm looking forward to watch the film and so is everybody. Thank you so much, the entire media faculty who's here. Thank you for coming.
Thank you so much.
This is Asiya. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Ek photo.